When a defendant fails to pay an outstanding sum in accordance with the judgment of a court, the claimant will have to consider taking enforcement action. The claimant will often have two questions before they take enforcement action. Firstly, what is the best method of enforcement? And secondly, what is the prospect of successfully recovering the debt? In order to answer both of those questions, the claimant needs to know information about the defendant's financial circumstances, and it is often the case that the claimant does not know much information at all about the defendant's financial circumstances. In such a case, the claimant can apply to the court for an order to obtain further information. This is a process in which the court will order the defendant to attend the court for questioning about their financial circumstances. In the event the defendant fails to attend the court, they could be guilty of contempt of court, and the court could punish them accordingly. The questioning of the defendant is often conducted by a court officer, but it sometimes is conducted by a judge, and the claimant or claimant's legal representative is permitted to attend the hearing to ask any questions that they may want to ask the defendant about their financial circumstances. Once those answers are given, the court will record them in writing or by audio, and the answers to those questions will be made available to the claimant. The claimant is then in a better position to understand the financial circumstances of the defendant, to better assess what the best method of enforcement will be, and whether there's any prospect of recovering the debt at all. If you are a claimant and you have an outstanding judgment, you can contact our legal team and we will be able to advise you in more detail on the process of applying for an order to obtain further information, and we can also advise you on the different methods of enforcement that are available.